A mitered corner is an essential sewing skill, and I think you'll be so surprised at how easy it is. It's great to use on our apron pattern, some simple napkins, whatever you need a perfect corner while you're sewing. A mitered corner is a perfect trick for that. First, prepare your fabric by washing it, drying it, however you are preparing your fabric, and ironing it. If you're following a pattern, cut it to the pattern shape, and if you're making something simple like napkins, you can cut it in a 16 by 16 square, or whatever measurement you're using. Add an inch to the width and the height to allow for the folded edge. After you have prepared your fabric, take one edge and fold it over 1/4 of an inch. You can finger press this with your finger if you are using a fabric like cotton or linen, but if it needs a little bit more structure, then you can use an iron. Continue around the entire perimeter and fold over 1/4 of an inch. Now with this edge folded, fold it once more at 3/4 of an inch. You can finger press this and secure it in place with an iron if you'd like the edge to be more prominent. Now from the corner of the folded edge, measure 1.5 inches and make a mark on both sides. Draw a line to connect these dots. Now fold the fabric and match these marks that you just made and sew on this line. Remove the excess fabric and turn the right sides out. Continue around the edge of your pattern piece and do this for every corner. Iron to make it crisp and finish along the edge with the top stitch. Like I said, a mitered corner is so simple and something that's really going to elevate your pattern pieces and whatever you're making. So if you want to learn how to make the apron pattern using this trick, then watch this next video.